Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, Madam Sir. I am Jovelyn Dini Ayaroho. I am 34 years old. I'm married and I graduate of college. I have 4 years course, sir.
Okay. So, how old are you?
I am 34 years
Okay.
old.
How many children you have?
I have 3 kids. One
Three
11,
kids.
yes, sir. 11 years old, a girl, and 2 boys, 7 years old and 4 years old.
Okay. So, where you work before?
I worked before in Bacolod, Philippines for a total of 4 years, sir.
Okay, you work in there 4 years. So
Yes,
why
sir.
you need to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my children and give them basic needs, especially in school.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand. So you need to support your children, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have chance to work in Hong Kong, how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will work in Hong Kong, sir, for 5 to 10 years.
5 to 10 years.
Yes.
Okay. May I know what is your husband work?
He is a tricycle driver.
Tricycle
sir.
driver.
Yes.
How much he earn every month?
Less than 10,000 pesos.
Less
sir.
than 10,000. Is
Yes.
enough or not enough?
It is really not enough, sir.
Really not enough.
Yes.
That's why you need to apply work in Hong
Yes.
Kong, right? Okay. So you have experience taking care of baby and
Yes.
children, right? Can you sing me 2 baby songs?
I love you, mommy, my sweet, sweet mommy. You make me happy every day.
Okay. Can one more song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. Now, hey, wait. You read the storybook first, okay?
Okay, sir.
So this one, you hold this toys like this, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Can you read? Uh, 2 page for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
2 page.
Yeah, one. This is one.
And I end his first
Yeah.
okay. Hi, I'm Patrick and I love my dinosaur. So here's my little dino. He's green with tiny teeth, scaly on his left side and bumpy underneath. My friend is small dino. His tummy is so round. Dino thinks he's very scary when he feels loud, round sound.
Okay. Finish, right? Okay. Good. So, this is the bottle, okay?
Oh, yes.
Can you tell me how you prepare the milk for the newborn baby?
Okay, sir. Before you prepare milk for a baby, first you have to wash your hand and then you have to sterilize the bottle of a baby and then you put some warm water and add milk. After you add milk, you have to rub them between your 2 hands and make it rub them slowly and give it to a baby.
Okay. So can you hold the baby?
Yes, sir. Can I-
Okay. You stay.
Okay.
Okay, you tell me how you hold the baby.
Every time you hold the baby, you always support the head and the neck of the baby and support him here and you carry this baby for
Okay.
your safety.
Okay. But you need to feed the baby, huh?
Okay, before you feed the baby, you have to make him comfortable so that he cannot choke when
Okay.
he's
Good.
really.
So, okay, yeah. You feed the baby.
If you feed the baby, you have to make him comfortable so that he cannot choke. You have to feed them slowly and gently, sir, just like this.
Okay. Very good.
Yes.
So after the baby drink milk, what will you do next?
You have to help them, a baby, how to burp. Just like this. You have to put her in this, like this, so that you have to slap this back so that he can burp.
How long the baby will get burp?
2 to 3 minutes. sir.
2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So I want to ask you, what temperature the baby have fever or get sick?
37.5, sir.
Okay. So if the baby have fever, then what will you do?
First, you have to tell your employer, and if your employer is busy, I have to apply him first aid.
Okay.
Like I put him a warm towel on her forehead so that the temperature makes lower. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So may I know how many months the baby first teeth will come out?
6 to 7 months, sir.
So if the baby first teeth come out, what food they can eat?
Pure food, sir. Just like cooked squash and potato.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So do you know how to take a shower with the baby?
Yes.
Okay, can you stay there? Okay, I want to ask you first, if you need to take a shower with the baby, what you will prepare before?
Before you wash the baby, you have to prepare yourself. You have to wash your hand, and then you have to put the baby safely so he cannot pull down. If the baby is okay in her position, you have to slowly put warm water, and then put the water on his head, put a shampoo or for a baby, and then you wash it. You have to put your hands here so that the water it cannot flow on her face. And then after
good.
that, you have to wash the body and the food, and then you have to carry her or him slowly so that you can wash the back of the baby. You have to wash warm water, add soap, and then rinse. Next, here the baby here, but always protect her face so that the water cannot flow over
Okay.
here.
Good. You put down the baby. Okay. You stay back together. So I want to ask you, if you work in Hong Kong, can you taking care one baby and one young kid?
Yes, sir.
It's okay for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now I have some scenario question to ask you. Okay? Now, can you random help me to pick three first? You pick three questions first. Pick three.
3.
Okay. Can you one by one tell me what is the question and what is your answer?
If a child falls at home and gets injured or hits her head, would you handle the situation? Before that, sir, I will go to a baby. I will check him or her, or if I can touch her or him, so that I can carry the baby to, or call my employer to call the baby in hospital, sir.
Okay, good. So, okay, how about the second question?
If a child asks difficult questions like, why do I have to school? How would you answer? If a child asks me, why do I have to school? I will tell him or her that she needs to go to school so that he can learn more things, especially in writing her name, how to write ABC, or how to count, and so that he can find more friends, sir.
Okay, good. So the last question?
Okay. If the elderly in the family say that your child care method is not right, but you are following the child's parent method to do it, how will you handle it? I will tell the elderly of the family of my employer that I will just follow the instructions of my employer. That's why I need to follow him or her so that he cannot angry with me, sir.
Okay, good. So, Okay, the last question. Do you have any promise message to your future employer?
And to my dear future employer, please accept me, mom, sir, to be your domestic helper or nanny, because I am cheerful, trustworthy, hardworking, and helpful person. I will promise and I will do my best to finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you.